There was a time in my life when I wake up to work feels like a punishment. A time when my workplace was not a place of dignity, but a battlefield where I stood alone. I know how it feels to be abused at work, to be threatened, to be told by a boss, I can dismiss you whenever I want, and there is nothing you can do about it. I know the fear of going to work with a heavy heart. I know the pains of being punished simply for standing up for your rights. I know the silence that the workers keep because they fear losing the only income they have. The birth of the Spear of Workers. It was in that pain, in that darkness, that the Spear of Workers was born. Not from politics, not from corruption, not from empty promises, but from the suffering of a worker who lived the very abuse that workers face every day. The Spear of Workers is not just an organization. It is a movement of dignity, justice, and empowerment. A place where every worker finally has someone on their side. What is our mission? We are here so that no worker in South Africa suffer in silence again. So that no employer abuse their power without accountability. So that every worker knows their rights, understand the law, and never face workplace battle alone again. Helping workers is not just a duty, it is our passion, because every story of abuse we hear touches the same wounds we once suffered. What makes us different? We are not a union that will abandon you. We are not politicians. We are not here for power. We are here for you because we are you. The Spear of Workers was built by a worker for workers. We are a registered NPC, a paralegal and educational community movement. We guide you, we prepare you, we stand with you, and we do everything within the law to help you fight back, safely, legally, and powerful. And today you can join the Spear of Workers family through our membership program. Your membership is activated immediately, and your benefits start right away. Your monthly contribution only begins at the next month end. Membership levels. Basic membership, only 50 Rand per month. Unlimited workplace guidance, education, advisory support, and written case statement when trouble arises. Standard membership, 100 Rand per month. Everything in basic, plus document drafting, form fillings, CCMA referral assistant, and guided submissions. VIP membership, 150 per month. Everything in basic and standard, plus we accompany you in hearings, CCMA sessions, or workplace meetings as your supportive friend, helping you stay strong and confident. All membership include case follow-ups until your matter is concluded. What your contribution means. Your monthly contribution is not profit. It keeps this movement alive. It keeps the doors open for workers. It keeps the spear sharp against injustice. Call to action. No worker should fight alone. No worker should suffer in silence. No worker should be afraid of the very job they depend on. Stand up. Be counted. Join the spear of workers today and raise the spear for your dignity. Contact us or WhatsApp 071 450 5692 or 072 104 7556 or 079 317 9647. Email us at smartpoint.edustation@gmail.com or visit us at 1363-16 Lindela, Wesile Street, Vokozake, Volkstrust. The Spear of Workers, stepping back legally.